Visakh Bochea is a major festival in Buddhism that Cambodia considers a national holiday. In addition, nearly 200 member countries of the United Nations adopted and recognized Visakh Bochea as an international festival in 1999. The celebration of Visakh Bochea is to commemorate three special events related to the Buddha. Those events are birth, enlightenment, entering nirvana. The Buddha was originally named Sothoth, pronounced Preh Sothoth, the son of Siem Mahayana and King Sothothana. He was called by many other names such as Preh Sama Sampot, Preh Sama Mana Kodam, Preh Chaisrai, Preh Sakshamani, Preh Boromakru, Preh Sothoth, and so on. He was born on a Friday in May 623 BC. At the age of 29, Preh Sothoth went to build a tower. He became enlightened after being a monk for 6 years. He became enlightened and became a Buddha on Wednesday, May. Our teacher passed away on Tuesday, May 8, at the age of 80. So far, Sakshamuni has been dead for 61 years. We observe that the Preh Sothoth was born, attained enlightenment and nirvana on the 15th day of the full moon of May, the same month, which is only a different year. Therefore, the Visakh Bochea festival represents these 3 days. Types of ritual in Buddhism include the Visakh Bochea, Mikha Bochea, Kathina, and Cholvasa festival. Visakh Bochea festival. Visakh Bochea is one of the great festivals in Buddhism, considered to be an important Buddhist rite to commemorate the Buddha on the full moon day, 15 born in the month of Visakh, where Buddhists, both monks and laity, always worship with faith as a great merit. The celebration of worship on the 15th day of the month of Visakh Bochea, according to Buddhist scholars, is defined in the Genesis as a great Mongol Apilakhet. Is a day of great happiness corresponding to the day when the Buddha Traditionally, Visakh is performed at night because it is required by the word Bonmi, which means the full moon of Bonmi. On the other hand, the celebration at night depends on two convenience, where one is to have the opportunity to light lanterns and burn electricity. Let the story shine brightly, and also to open the opportunity for Buddhists to gather in large numbers, both men and women. Both women can fulfill this merit happily because night is a free time. Visakh is considered to be a big festival with a large goal. Of all people, boys and girls grow it with offerings. There are candles, incense, flower, and small and large lanterns in every pagoda. According to the Buddhist traditional, both the clergy and the laity have to march for 3 rounds before entering the temple and take the relics prepared in front of the Buddha image, light candle, and burn incense. They worship ព្រះរតនត្រ័យ Samathisya. Listen to the Buddha. Listen to sermons on Buddhism from the beginning to the end. Monks and lay people recite other songs. For example, 8 songs, 8 big songs extra. The night they do until dawn, according to the possibility of each pagoda to have generosity for ព្រះរតនត្រ័យ. It is getting stronger.